Christmas arrives early thanks to the Walsh family for the CCPAL kids. Look at all this. Isn't this adorable? All kinds of fun toys that make all kinds of sounds, and even some stuff for Sam. Here's the other box. Look at this. This is like a car riding little piece here. And Cooper, which is one of the Walsh boys, whenever he was inquisitive about what was going in these boxes, they asked him what he wanted to put in there, and he went and got his favorite toy and put it in here. I'm not sure which one it is, but that's amazing. Dogs are so sweet and so loving. Cooper gave us his very favorite toy. He put it inside the box for them to send. Anyway, this is CCPAL Rescue and some of the great stuff that the Walsh family got for the CCPAL kids. Love y'all. Thank you.